Scots, and happy Friday. I'm Ashira.
And I'm Sophia. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Scots Weekly.
Let's dive into today's school announcements.
First up, winter break starts today after school at 1:33 p.m. Take this time to relax, enjoy time with family and friends, and recharge. But don't forget, we'll be back in just 2 weeks.
Next, mark your calendars for the formal dance on January 11th. If you're planning to attend, make sure to grab your tickets as soon as possible. But hey, don't be shy. Ask that special someone to join you for an unforgettable night.
Finally, we've made it through the first half of the school year. Great job, everyone.
When we're back from break, there'll be tons of exciting events happening right here at Highland.
Stay in the loop by following this page on Instagram at HHS Scots for the latest updates and announcements. And now it's time for a commercial break.
Check out this video.
Good job, Soleil, for throwing away the trash. You deserve a pass token.
Thank you very much.
Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice.
Julian! Come on, man, we're recording a TikTok. We're recording a TikTok. What the heck, Julian? Get to work. Go to class, man. Go to class. Are you serious, bro? Go to class. Come on. Go to class. Come on. Let's go.
Are you serious?
Come on. Come on.
Give me my phone back, man. Seriously? I guess I'll just do my work. This isn't that bad. Hey, Zavala, thank you for taking away my phone.
Don't worry, Julian. Don't worry. Hey, you have a pass?
No.
Go to class. Go get one. You have a pass? I don't care. Go. Hey, I said you needed a pass. Oh, okay. You can go to the restroom. Hey, miss, you deserve a pass token for having a pass.
Thank you very much.
Get to class. Get educated. Pass your finals.
I threw a wish in the well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked to you as it fell, and now you're in my way. I trade my soul for a wish, pennies and dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing. Hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at you, baby. But here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. And all the other boys try to chase me, but here's my number, so call me maybe. You took your time with the call, I took no time with the fall. You gave me nothing at all, but still you're in my way. I beg and borrow and steal at first sight, and it's real. I didn't know I would feel it, but it's in my way. Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing. Hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at you, baby. But here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. And all the other boys try to chase me, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Boy, you came into my life, I missed you so bad. You came into my life, I missed you so bad. I missed you so bad. I missed you so, so bad. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. And you should know that.
Why magic? Dribbling down the court. Steps back.
Hey, you! Get over here.
buddy. Make sure you guys don't litter at Highland. All right.
Welcome back, Scots.
Check out this video.
Hi, my name's Sophia, and I want to give a shout out to Mr. Bredler here in the PAC Center because he's a very caring person and he makes me feel very welcome and cared about here at Highland.
Hi, my name is Zart, and I'd like to give a special shout out to Mr. Zavala for just being a cool teacher and just always helping when I need it.
Shout out to Mason Walachika, he's right there.
My name's Janessa, and I give a shout out to Miss Chapman for being the best 11th grade history teacher.
Hi, I'm Madison Moreno, and shout out to Jada Aubrey, because that's slime.
Hi, my name is Lynette Lawetta, and shout out to my dog Winter, because that's slime.
Shout out to Art. Shout out to Art right there.
Shout out to my homie Pedro Mendez, yeah.
Shout out to Rob. He does an amazing job supervising the school, the staff here, and just protecting our community here today.
My name's Arnez Lee, and I would like to give a shout out to Mr. Varela because he's a great human. You can talk to him about anything.
Hi, I'm Maria. Shout out to Gracie.
Hi, I'm Junior. Shout out to my shawty.
Hi, I'm Gracie, and I want to give a shout out to my boyfriend Roy.
Shout out to Alex Yale, my friend from PAC.
I want to give a shout out to Coach Moreno and Coach Cueto.
Hi, my name is Santi, and I'm from PAC. But I just wanted to thank Miss Nelson real quick because she's such an amazing teacher, and she makes class super fun, and she understands students. So thank you, Miss Nelson.
I'm gonna give a shout out to Miss Susan Delatorre in French for phenomenal work with our students.
Shout out to Shara from Scott's Weekly. Shout out to all the tattoo artists. Shout out to all the fast food workers.
Shout out to my twin besties.
Shout out my barber.
Shout out to Mama Rollo.
Hi, I'm Mr. London. I want to give a shout out to all my history students working hard on their finals.
Shout out to Camila and Crazy.
My name's Matthew. Shout out Miss Bell. She's a good teacher.
Shout out to Stephen and Joaquin.
My name is Junior. Shout out to Aaron Whitfield.
Hello, I'm Trayvon, and I'd like to give a shout out to Coach G.
Hi, my name is Sydney, and I'm going to shout out Riley because she is my best friend.
Hi, my name is Holly, and I'd like to shout out Aubrey Arnold and Julia Cravens because they are my goats.
My name is Riley. I want to give a shout out to Javon. I love you, Javon.
I'd like to give a shout out to my mom. Hi, Mom. It's me.
Hi, my name is Joe. I want to give a big shout out to my friend Fish. You're a very good friend.
My name's Javon, and I want to shout out my brother, DeBerry.
My name is DeVary, and I want to shout out my homie, Javon.
Thanks for tuning in to today's show.
Happy holidays, everyone.
We'll see you all again in 2025.
And always remember to
Plaid up.